Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we'll unbox the Termet APLA boiler and see what else is inside the box besides the boiler. Let's get started. As you can see, the box is right here, and inside is a condensing boiler. But before we unbox the unit, let's take a look at what's on the box. At first glance, you can see the model designation and logistics codes. These are what allow each unit to leave the warehouse and go on sale. We also have the EAN code and the unit's serial number, among other things. Now that we know what's on the outside, let's see what's inside. To start, we have solid styrofoam pieces that stabilize the boiler and protect it from damage during transport. It's like a silent hero. Inconspicuous but essential. Special straps are used to remove the boiler from the box, making it easy to lift safely without risking damage to the casing or straining your back. For an installer who fits several units a day, this is a big plus. The set also includes technical documentation, installation and operating instructions, and a warranty card, everything the user needs. Finally, we have a bag of accessories. Essential mounting components that allow for quick and efficient connection of the unit. No need to search for anything yourself, everything is right here. For system boilers, it's worth noting that the three-way valve is already built into the unit at the factory. To connect a domestic hot water tank, you just need to buy an NTC temperature sensor. Boiler's out. We can finally take a closer look at it. First impressions? Solid construction. Everything looks well fitted and sturdy. There are no surprises here. It's equipment that immediately gives the impression of being ready for action. If you've bought a boiler but don't plan to install it right away, remember, it must be stored in a heated room. Why is this so important? After production, every boiler undergoes a series of quality tests, during which a small amount of water may remain inside. If the unit is kept in a cold place, this water can freeze, which is a direct path to damaging the boiler even before its first startup. The rating plate with the most important information about the boiler, such as model, serial number or technical data, is always on the left side of the unit. If you plan to install it in a place where access to it will be difficult or completely blocked, take a photo before installation. It's a small step that can save a lot of time and frustration, especially when you need this data for a maintenance report or if you need to call for service. We already know what the boiler looks like from the front, but what will we find at the back? At the back, there are mounting holes that allow for quick and safe hanging of the unit on the wall. From the bottom, the hydraulic and gas connections are visible, which allow the boiler to be connected to the system. Everything is clearly marked with stickers. Now you know what's inside the box of a condensing boiler and why its solid protection during transport guarantees safe delivery and full product satisfaction. And if you have any additional questions, ask them in the comments. See you next time.